Unlocking success in on-page SEO is all about reverse engineering, not reinventing the wheel. Why start from scratch when the answers are already in the top 20 results? It's like having the map to SEO success right at your fingertips. Now take the guesswork out of your strategy. Make decisions using data insights and play. Hi, it's Dave here, and I'm really excited to show you Strell's Audit, your best friend when it comes to improving your existing content and getting better search engine rankings. Strell's Audit tool is a game changer for content optimization. It takes a deep dive into the strategies of the top 20 competitors, giving you valuable insights to supercharge your content. It's like having a cheat sheet to outrank the competition. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to data-backed success. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Let's say you want to rank for the keyword best coffee maker. All you have to do is enter your primary search phrase, which is your main keyword. It's best to focus on optimizing one article for one keyword. We suggest multiple H2s from the data that we get from the top 20, and you can rank for multiple secondary keywords. Now, step 2, enter the URL of the page that you want to audit. And let's say this is the page URL you want to rank. Moving on to step 3, select the country, language, and device you want to target with your article. This is vital because data can vary significantly from place to place and across languages. Step 4. For all audit reports, NLP is enabled by default. And now for the magic moment, hit that Create Audit button. It will consume 1 audit credit. It's as easy as that, and done. Once the loading is complete, click View Report. Here's where the real fun begins. It creates a content score between 0 and 100 that shows how well your content is optimized according to the top 20 rankings. The higher your content score, the better. Select competitors. Strell's internal algorithm chooses the best competitors for you, but you're free to choose your own. If you're an e-commerce player, then choose e-commerce competitors. The audit will be updated according to the competitors you chose. Let's jump to the first section, Quick Fix. This is where you'll find basic yet crucial factors such as the number of title and H1 tags. Check to see if your main keyword appears in these places. Now for structure. A page with good content structure ranks well on Google because it's easy to understand for Google. It's optimized for the user's experience. Visitors can skim through the content and quickly get what they want. Try to follow guidelines and refine your content structure if competitors use advanced content structure. The words section. This section shows you the number of words to use in the body, paragraph, H1, H2, H3, H4 to H6, and bold. This helps to create structured content as per the top 20 organic competitors. The ideal count is derived from the top 20 competitors. You need to be in that sweet spot. Your count shows how many words you're using on your page. So it would help if you adjusted your count to match the range of the ideal count. Keep an eye on the action required column. It guides you on whether to add, remove, or make no changes to your word count. The downward arrow provides a visual representation of how your data compares to your competitors, helping you understand how we determine the ideal range. The base in this context represents your page URL. Let's scroll down to exact keywords. It is crucial not to over or under optimize the primary keyword phrase. Sometimes it can be the only thing holding you back from first page rankings. We can work on that by following the guidelines on the exact keyword section. Try to add the exact keyword and the ideal range to your title, H1, body, paragraph, H2, H3, H4 to H6, and bold. The number of elements section. The number of elements section consists of using elements like H1 elements, H2 to H6, paragraph, and image elements, so you get an idea of how to structure your content. Characters. In this section, you'll discover the character limits for your meta description. Keyword. Let's go to title tag keywords. The title tag is the most critical factor of on-page SEO. Period. It tells Google what your page is about. Try to add the primary keyword phrase at the beginning of the title tag. We show you which keywords to add and in what frequency. Follow the instructions and you're good to go. Users can also see the examples by clicking the View button. We will highlight the term for you. Also, we show you the top 20 competitor titles for inspiration at the end of an audit. H1 tag keywords. The H1 tag is the second most crucial factor. Here's what Google stated about it. It helps Google understand the page's structure just like it helps users understand the page's structure. But what you have to do is simple. Include the recommended keyword in your H1. H2 tag keywords. Ever thought about which subtopics to include and how to rank a single page for multiple subtopics or keywords? We do that research from top ranking pages and show it to you. Try to use at least half of them in your H2 tags. Make your content comprehensive and cover them in depth. Yes, you'll rank for those keywords as well. Now for main content keywords. The main content keywords are terms and phrases that you should use in your paragraph. This is the most exciting section of an audit. also the most important. And hence we employed our methods. We retrieved data from the top 20 competitors, processed it further, and made gems. We use correlation, AI, machine learning methods, and natural language processing, or NLP, to sort out keywords and calculate their relevance, so you can focus on the most important keywords first. This helps you remove the content gap between you and the top 20 rankings. Try to use most of the topics to have the edge over your competitors. First, depending on the length of the content, look for content that's not required or overly written in the article. Get some space to add new keywords contextually in the article. You don't need to add all of the keywords at once. Try to cover the keywords that have a higher relevancy. You can see keywords by top 3, title, heading, and NLP. You can click on the View button to see how your competitors use the same keyword on their page. You can use these to take inspiration and add the keyword and the mention frequency with a proper context. If, for some reason, you don't want to change content length, click on the suggested count to get a recommendation according to your content length. Here we have 2 types of counts. The ideal count is an optimal range of keyword usage derived from the top 20 competitors. The suggested count is keyword usage according to your content length. You can also select your course of action by selecting either ideal or suggested. The action required will be changed accordingly. Strell's Audit also provides useful keywords for keyword visibility, so users can filter their keywords according to their usage. Once you've completed your changes on the page, you have the option to refresh the audit. Refresh started, refresh completed. When you choose to do so, our tool will perform a fresh calculation of the content score based on your latest changes. This costs you 0 credits. You need to use refresh if you've made changes to your existing page. For the brief section, People Also Ask is one of the most popular SERP features on Google. Including People Also Ask questions and ranking for them would be very beneficial. And who wouldn't want that traffic? Top competitor title. It's like having a title inspiration buffet served up by your competitors. Why start from scratch when you can feast on their brilliant ideas? It's the ultimate shortcut to crafting the perfect title. Mark it as done when you're done with the changes. You can also export the valuable audit data and use it in your SEO strategy. Look at that. You can share an audit with your VAs and content writers. And once you click that, the link will be copied to your clipboard. And that concludes our tour of Strell's audit feature. Go ahead and give the audit function a try and leave your feedback in the comments below. I'll see you next time.